How do I upgrade my PAL to acquire restricted firearms?
To upgrade your PAL, you need to complete the Canadian Restricted Firearms Safety Course, CRFSC, and pass the written and practical tests. After completing the course, submit a new application for a firearms license using RCMP Form 5592. The CRFSC covers essential topics including the evolution of firearms and major parts, basic safety practices and ammunition, operating and handling handguns, firing techniques, care, and maintenance, legal responsibilities for storage, transportation, and use. Developed with national organizations and implemented by the Department of Justice, this course ensures you're trained to handle restricted firearms safely and responsibly. Ready to take the next step? Visit BC Firearms Academy for free online PAL and RPAL study materials, in-person CFSC and CRFC courses, and core challenges. Upgrade your PAL today with BC Firearms Academy.